Why are divisions among G7 countries growing ahead of the 2026 summit? The cracks are widening, and what's at stake could reshape global power dynamics and your everyday life. One major cause of growing divisions is differing economic priorities. Some G7 countries push for protectionist trade policies to shield local industries, while others advocate for free trade and globalization. These opposing views create friction, especially as global inflation and supply chain disruptions hit. For example, the U.S. favors aggressive tech regulation and tariffs, whereas European allies prioritize climate-friendly investments and energy security. These economic disagreements make it hard to present a unified front on global financial issues. Geopolitical rivalries are another key factor. The G7 countries do not agree on how to handle rising powers like China and Russia. Some members push for stronger sanctions and military support to Ukraine, while others are more cautious, fearing economic backlash. Differing approaches toward Middle East relations also cause friction. These geopolitical differences reflect deeper national interests and alliances, making it difficult to coordinate strategies ahead of the 2026 summit. Climate and energy policies also fuel divisions. While some G7 members push aggressively for renewable energy and carbon neutrality, others depend more heavily on fossil fuels and are cautious about rapid transitions. The energy crisis following global conflicts has intensified debates on energy security versus climate goals. These contrasting priorities make consensus difficult when planning collective environmental actions at the summit. Finally, leadership changes and power shifts within the G7 affect unity. Some members seek to assert more influence, while others feel sidelined. Emerging economies outside the G7 are also gaining prominence, pressuring the group to adapt or risk losing relevance. This power play creates an undercurrent of competition rather than cooperation, complicating preparations for the upcoming summit. The growing divisions among G7 countries reveal the complex and competing interests shaping our world. Understanding these cracks helps you see how global decisions may impact your future. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead of the curve.